How to download Inshot in laptop or PC. Hello everybody. If you would also like to download Inshot, you may follow the steps in order to do so. So first of all, when you head over to any of your browser, you can just open up any of your browser first and you can directly search for Inshot. Just go ahead and type in that. After that, you will be getting some results. You can just go ahead and look out for this official website of Inshot. This one right here, and open it up, which is under inshot.com. And once you are there, you'll be finding the description of the Inshot and everything. Now in the top right corner, you should be finding an option called Get Inshot. You can just go and look out for that. And there you'll be finding different options if you'd like to download it. So if you'd like to download it, we can find this option. We can download it using the App Store. We can download it using the Google Play, or you can explore it on App Gallery if you don't have an iPhone. So if you're looking to download Inshot, unfortunately, we do not have a direct option to download it on laptop or PC. If you'd like to download it on your device, for example, if you would like to download it using Google Play, you can head over to Google Play link. And once you are there, you'll be finding an install option. If you click on install, even though you installed it on your computer, it will be downloaded on your device. So you can look out for this install option. You can select up your device. After that, click on install and it should be downloaded there. You can just go ahead and access your Inshot application using that particular device and just go ahead and get all the features that you would like using Inshot. And that's it. So if you guys are also wondering, then you may just follow up this process. If you would like to download it on your PC, try looking for simulators, but it probably does not work. So that is it. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.